In this video, I will show you how to create copy for Excel data with the same format. So you can create copy of this data as a new book or as a new worksheet. So you need firstly create a new sheet if you want to copy here. Now right click here. Now click on move or copy, and here select sheet where you want to move. Like in sheet 3 I want to copy, and not forget to create and check this box, create a copy, then click on OK. So now we can see in here with the same format we have the data. So thanks for watching guys, and comment this video useful for you. And guys, if you want to create the new book copy of this data, so right click and same here select the new book. Just you have to select new book, check this box and click on OK. So you can create copy of this Excel data as a new book or as a Excel worksheet. Thanks for watching.